Okay, now we're going up. Steps still have to be stained. Here's the loft area. Furniture is everywhere. It's getting there, it's getting there. Here's the king room. Loft.
Yes,
Say hey, Dom.
What up?
Hey, Josiah.
Hey.
Hardest working boys on the planet. Guest bedroom. And I have 2 queens in here. So this is kind of cool to show y'all this. It's got a fog and a light. Ta-da! Turn off the fog. And here's a shower. This place is filthy, but that's okay. We'll get it cleaned. So I have to stain all the wood. Gonna be stained dark, light. And the retractable fan, all the full mattresses, Bluetooth fan, play the music, loft beds, LED shower, again we have a smart mirror, changes colors, it's got a defogger, it's got a dimmer, Teddy and David's Armoire they so graciously gave us. And we have a concrete stoop finally. Yay!